Hi, it's Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today we're checking out the official iPhone 13 Pro leather case. I picked this up recently from O2, and you can also get it at John Lewis for £10 off the actual retailing price. They're the two places that I could find this the cheapest. For 59 quid, it's probably a little bit out of my comfort zone to spend on a case, but for £49, it's a little bit easier to swallow. So there's many colours for the leather case, probably actually four or so, but I've gone for the midnight colour. So I'll be checking that out in a bit. Just to recap on what cases that I've looked at previously, I looked at the Rhinoshield bumper cases for a little while, showed you everything that there is to have for the Crash Guard NX and the Modern X and the Solid Suit. I used that for a while. Then I got the Elago cases, and this is the Pebble case that I really loved. But unfortunately, about a week after my review, it's now starting to peel. It's almost like shedding its skin. I've made them aware of it, and they are aware of it, and they are going to address it very soon. So if you do like this case, maybe wait a month or two before buying it. I think they're going to try and correct it and then ship it out to the warehouses, and then that's the new version that you'll be buying. So if you do like this case, like I did, it's worth waiting for a newer version. Again, detriment is that you don't get MagSafe. So any accessories like in the car, you would like put it on and it just literally drop off quite quickly. So other than that, this would be a perfect case if it had MagSafe. And then I'm a big fan of slim cases, and this is the ProBien MagSafe case. I've done a little mini review and you can catch that on the channel as well. But it's a very thin case, hard back. It's not going to collect any dust or dirt because it's not that kind of material. But the buttons are a little bit flimsy, and I'm not a fan of this notch at the back. It's not even straight, which is very weird. It does have these little grill bits on the bottom to protect any dirt from getting into the speaker grills, but other than that, I wasn't much of a fan of these indentations as well. So it didn't really like the look of this case in the end, but I wanted something that had MagSafe, it looked good, and it had the durability as well for the case. And I've had a leather case before in the past in previous iPhones, and they lasted the test of time, or at least the year that you do before you trade up and you have to buy another case. So I thought, what the hell, let's go in with the leather straight away, get this on our iPhone 13 Pro. So I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing just to show you if you're thinking about going for this case as well, so you can actually get an idea of what it looks like. Right, so the case is pretty much straightforward. It has like a little clasp, you really got to pull to get this thing out. And here is the leather case. You don't get anything else with it. This is all raised up. It feels like you could probably get the case a bit thinner than this one currently. It's definitely props you up a bit. Tells you how to get it into the case properly. On the back it says it's made with high quality supple leather, protect your iPhone, and to let you know that it's because it's natural material, it will wear away over time. Some people say that it improves over time to give you that effect. So you will get creases, marks, patina over time, which is like the sort of sheen on the actual leather after use, as well as interaction with MagSafe accessories will leave an indentation as well, or leave a mark afterwards, but that generally goes over time as well. A little bit of information here about that it contains magnets, and that's pretty much it in terms of the paraphernalia. So it tells us we've got to put it into this edge, but it's a nice, lightweight, thin case. These are separate. They're not like molded into one like most cases are. You've got quite a small hole out for the mute switch. Speaker grill, they're not circles, which I would have preferred, but they are quite large cutouts, and you've got a fairly big enough one for the lightning port, which is what Apple's only going to support their own really. Big sleep switch. On the back you've got a camera bump, and we'll get this installed on the case. So left side in. That's gone in nice and easy. So you've got a little bit of a lip there on the screen, so you've got a bit of down protection. It doesn't lip over the edge, but it does hug it very, very well, and it definitely feels nice and thin. So if you don't like your bulky cases and you want something to protect it, nice little Apple logo on the back there, it's definitely going to do that. So this is definitely lives up to its price. You can see there's a slight sheen that's slightly blue, but it's very, very dark. Looking at it here in the incandescent lights, it feels black. It looks black, but when there is a slight light to it, you do see how it's getting its midnight color. It's weird they don't really do a gray one, but this is the darkest you can get in terms of the leather cases. Plenty of room there for the, well, just barely for the camera bump. It's almost, yeah, you can't hear the glass. It's difficult. It's very minor. It's like probably 0.1 of a millimeter for this camera bump, but the buttons feel fantastic. The wake and sleep button's great. This is very easy to get your finger into. The grills are all matched up there as you would expect, being an Apple product. And yeah, I think it looks really, really nice. So the all important is MagSafe, and does it do everything that we want to expect. So it's charging, not a problem there. And it's definitely holding on to the case without any problems. So that's really, really good. So that's definitely going to latch on to any MagSafe accessories as well in the car, as well as anything like desktop stands and everything like that that uses MagSafe. Cool, happy days. So this is the Apple iPhone 13 Pro leather case with MagSafe, and this is the Midnight Color Edition. You can get it for £49 from John Lewis or O2 store, and I'll leave the links to both of those. They're not affiliated, so hopefully you can watch the whole of this video and you can really help me out in that way instead. Otherwise, give us a like and a subscribe and give us a comment too. All right, I hope you found some value in this video. If you have, please leave us a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this case from Apple. You can check out all my other iPhone 13 Pro case reviews up in this playlist here. Hit the subscribe button down below to catch all my future content, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.